This is day 4 of doing my daily intents. Today I got all 3 shiny galarian birds. Alright, let's go. Puccina, Bruxus, Hoppip, Solrock, Cyndaquil, Nimble, Duat, Oddish, Ponyta, Chikorita, Hitmonlee, Mankey, Pikachu, Heatmore, Growlithe, Pidove, Bidoof, Bulbasaur, Spearow, Phantump, Yamper, Pikipek, Wingull, Venonat, Lechonk, Helioptile, Pidove, Barboach, Herdia, Ekans, Yamper, Darumaka, Bounsweet, Pidgey, Togetic, Cubone, Barboach, Pidove, Mareep, Scurappy, Puccina, Diglett, Lechonk. Sorry about the noise, there's a lawnmower. Alright, I've got 43 Pokemon today. I'm very sorry I haven't posted because the last 2 days I've tried to do it and the first half of the video recording just deleted. I don't know where it went, so finally today I got it done. So no Galarian birds. See you for day 5.